Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing hardware and software. Update the Ps4, plug in a headset or the PlayStation camera, and pair your DualShock 4. Once done, go to Settings and open System so you can enable voice features. This is where the Ps4 listens. Make sure your microphone is positioned close to your mouth and that chat volume is reasonable, because clear input reduces misrecognitions and speeds recognition. Now move to the voice operation settings to turn the feature on and choose your language. You now configure the detailed options. In voice operation settings, toggle the feature on, then pick the correct language so commands map properly. Next, enable microphone input from the controller or camera depending on what you connected, and use the on-screen slider to set sensitivity, lower for background noise, higher for whispering. Once configured, run the test prompt and speak sample commands. This trains the Ps4 to your environment and explains why sensitivity matters for consistent recognition. You finish by practicing usable commands and learning recovery steps. Say the wake word, then a command, pause briefly after the wake word so the system captures the phrase. Try navigation commands like opening apps or taking screenshots. If things go wrong, first check mic level and background noise, then restart the Ps4 and rerun voice setup. If issues persist, update firmware and repair the microphone. This troubleshooting flow quickly isolates connection, sensitivity, or software problems so voice control works reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.